Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Canva app on Windows in clear fonts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Canva app on your Windows computer, start by clicking on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the Start menu, type Apps and Features in the search bar and hit Enter. The Apps and Features settings window will open, displaying a list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find the Canva app. Once located, click on the Canva app to reveal the Uninstall button. Click the Uninstall button, and a confirmation window will appear. Confirm that you want to uninstall Canva by clicking Uninstall again in the confirmation pop-up. The uninstallation process will begin, and you will see a progress bar. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the uninstallation is finished, close the Apps and Features window. Next, to ensure all Canva-related files are removed, open File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the C drive and open the Users folder. Select your user profile folder, then open the App Data folder. If you don't see the App Data folder, you may need to enable hidden items by clicking the View tab and checking the Hidden Items box. Inside the App Data folder, open the local folder. Look for a folder named Canva and delete it if found. Next, return to the App Data folder and open the Roaming folder. Check for any Canva folder there and delete it as well. To clear fonts installed by Canva, open the Control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. In the Control panel, navigate to Fonts by selecting Appearance and Personalization first. Here, you'll see the fonts installed on your system. Look for any fonts that were added by Canva. Select each font related to Canva and click Delete to remove them. Confirm any prompts that appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected fonts. Once all fonts are cleared, close the Fonts window and the Control panel. You have now successfully uninstalled the Canva app and cleared associated fonts from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.